Hi students, Mr. C here. Last time we talked, I had cut the parts out for the form for the epoxy table. So what I want to do is I'd like to show you exactly how I go about doing this. Is we have the four pieces as far as the sides, and then we have the base piece that's right here. And then what I've done is I have one screw gun that has, or one drill that has a countersink drill bit in it, and then I have a screw gun, and then I have a box of screws. Here I'm just using drywall screws because they have a lot of grip, and essentially all I have to do is just these pieces here, this side and this side, if you remember, they're cut to the exact length of the form. The only thing we have to do is cut the end pieces to exact size. So what I've done here is I took one of these pieces, I put it to the end here, and what I did was I made it flush to this end. I brought it over here, and then what I did was I put a piece of tape across here, and then what I did was I struck a pencil line on there so you can see that. That's where I need to cut this piece for the right length, and all I'm going to do is just transfer the line over on this piece, cut that one to exact length. Now, to go ahead and put the form on, what I do is I hold this equal or flush, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a pilot hole in here and countersink this. I just need to move this a little bit closer to the edge. Okay, so let me get one screw. I'll put this in. There, and then I'm just going to do the same thing to the other end to make it a little bit easier. Okay, now all I have to do is like approximately every 8 inches I need to drill another hole. Countersink that, because we don't want this to come apart. I'll show you in just 1 second what that looks like. You don't need a ton of screws in this. So let me bring you over here and show you exactly how this is done. So now you can see, I'm going to zoom in here. So we went ahead, we put these screws in. Now all I have to do is just cut the end pieces. You essentially just put the same thing on. The only thing is the piece is going to go from here, flush to this side, to flush to this side. I'll put those on. In the next video, I'll show you what we have to do with the inside of this to make sure that the epoxy doesn't stick to it. Okay? Until next time, I'm Mr. C. And remember, if you give us a thumbs up and you put in a comment box something you learned from this video, I will enter you in to win this project. Remember, the more entries, the more likely you are to win. So we'll see you next time, okay? Bye-bye.